Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. In this video, we are going to see how the first week of month of April is going to unfold for all signs. I'm going to give the weekly predictions for all signs and let us see how the first week, April 1st through 7th, is going to be for all signs. If you have moon in Aries, Mesha Rashi, Aries sign natives can begin this week with lot of vigor, lot of enthusiasm, even though they are still sensing the stress at work, the responsibility at work, but they should be looking forward to the gains that they are going to get. Once Jupiter moves into the sign of Aquarius, all their hard work is going to pay off. So Aries natives, continue your good work and be ready to enjoy the fruits of your hard work. If you have moon in Taurus, then you might be sensing the jealousy or competition at work. The continuous complaints could be irritating you, but this week you have to just focus on what you want at your workplace, what you want at your home front, and don't let that focus go here and there. Don't budge from your goals. Do not boast about it, but continue your hard work. Seeking help from advisors and mentors at work or from your friend circles will reduce that stress and you will be finding things tolerable, much more easy to deal with. If you have moon in Gemini, Mithun Rashi, you can begin the week of April. You can begin the week of April with little bit low. You may be sensing the stress and the tension, or you are feeling that there is not enough support, and that is the truth. You can suddenly feel that competition is coming from nowhere. But remember, you just have to not worry about these things. Don't bring your ego in and surrender to the Almighty, All Divine. And continue doing your duty. As Jupiter changes, you will notice things are changing for you as well. If you have moon in Cancer, Karka Rashi, this is the time to get the rewards from the hard work done in the past. Get ready to enjoy those rewards. This is going to be a really good week for you. If you have moon in Leo, when the month of April begins and the first week, you have to dedicate your time towards research, finding things that are unknown. Maybe you can just figure out how you want to go to the roots of some problems. It could be as simple as, why did I miss my train? Why did I decide to choose this form of document? But go to the roots, look inwards and see how your mind is playing games with you. And you will realize things are getting better for you. Leo folks have to be very careful about not doing anything that is illegal. If you have moon in Virgo, even if you begin the week with a low note, understand things are going to settle down. The movement of Jupiter is going to help you discover so many things that you didn't know before. Watch out for some expenses because you are going to get gains. You are protected that way, but you don't want to lose all those gains due to your expenses. If you have moon in Libra, Tula Rashi, the stress at home front is going to reduce. For Libra folks, the stress at home front, for Libra folks, the stressful environment at home is going to reduce. That stress is going to reduce. You may notice you are getting some gains with the movement of this Jupiter. If your kids were not behaving well, if you are worried with their behavior, this Jupiter is going to help you with all the issues that you are trying to solve. In this first week, Libra folks have to be careful in operating machinery and while driving. If you have moon in Scorpio, Vrishik Rashi, this first week of April is about your teammates and your siblings and supporting them. And that is the key for your happiness. Once you support your teammates and your siblings, lot of happiness is going to come towards you. So be ready for that. If you have moon in Sagittarius, your family should be focused this week. First week of April, your focus should be on your family members, what they want, their needs. And remember that even if you do that, you are not going to lose anything at workplace. This is a good time to seek balance between family and work. If you have moon in Sagittarius, Dhanu Rashi. If you have moon in Capricorn, Makar Rashi, in the month of April, as Jupiter moves into next sign, you may hear the news about your promotion. You may hear news about sudden economic gains. So be prepared for that. Even though this is going to be a little bit hectic period, stressful period, but look forward to the light at the end of the tunnel. Do not get irritated, do not get worried because of the behaviors of seniors or mentors or people who are elder than you. Just continue doing your duty, and that is the way to climb the ladder of promotion, next level gains, or whatever high status that you are looking for. If you have moon in Aquarius, with Jupiter being in the 12th place, you were continuously facing the dilemma about, am I doing things right? What should I do for next few years? Is it the right decision? And are these expenses ever going to stop? Well, that's the time coming. With Jupiter moving to your own Rashi, Aquarius, enjoy the fruits of your hard work and be ready for the next cycle of Jupiter. Aquarius folks, Kumbh Rashi folks should have time set aside for meditation. Try to set up a meditation routine. That way, you can take maximum benefit of this Jupiter's transit. If you have moon in Pisces, Meena Rashi, then let us see how the first week of April is going to be for you. With the transition of Jupiter from Capricorn to Aquarius, it goes into your 12th house, and you may notice that expenses are increasing. Your worries about how am I going to get gains or how am I going to do my work for next few years? Is this the right choice? Am I doing something wrong? All those worries and the internal thinking can increase. But use this time to make up your mind and find a solution. Take care of your health because you don't want to worry unnecessary and get your health affected. The investment that you have already done in the past can be rewarding at this time, so don't worry that much. There's one more thing for Pisces people. Your teammates, your neighbors may bring some opportunities to you, or maybe their behavior can sound very lucrative. But remember, be careful about the choices that you are making with the suggestions from neighbors or your friends. Always remember, what they are showing, what you are seeing may not be the truth, may not be the true condition. Hope this helps you take care of the first week of April for all signs. And if you are looking for remedy to get the best from this week, remember the nakshatras of this week. They are beginning with Anuradha, ending to Dhanishta, and that is the transition belt where you have to turn your focus from material world gains to the inner peace. What your soul wants, what is spirituality, what is your duty. So spare some time for that. Do meditation, do mantra chanting. Set aside some time for analyzing the situation and have full faith in the divine. Mercury is debilitated. So understand, whatever is happening for the higher goal. It is happening to get the best that you should receive. So have that faith in the divine, and have faith in yourself. If you want to see what is your nakshatra, what are your planets placed in which nakshatras, and how you can get best from them, you can send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to see other videos that you might be interested in. Thank you. Namaste. Shubham Bhavatu.